Mindful meditation for beginners. We are aiming for mindfulness, not a miracle which wipes your mind clear of the thoughts that flood our brains. We are practicing bringing our attention to our breath, and then back to the breath when we notice our attention has wandered. Get comfortable and prepare to sit still for a few minutes. You're going to simply focus on your own natural inhaling and exhaling of breath. Focus on your breath. Where do you feel your breath most? In your belly? In your nose? Try to keep your attention on your inhale and exhale. Take a deep inhale, expanding your belly, and then exhale slowly, elongating the out-breath as your belly contracts. Follow your breath for the next 2 minutes. How long was it before your mind wandered away from your breath? Did you notice how busy your mind was even without consciously directing it to think about anything in particular? Did you notice yourself getting caught up in thoughts before you came back to reading this? We often have little narratives running in our minds that we didn't choose to put there, like, why does my boss want to meet with me tomorrow? I should have gone to the gym yesterday. I've got to pay some bills. I don't have time to sit still. I've got stuff to do. If you experience these sorts of distractions, and we all do, you've made an important discovery. Simply put, that's the opposite of mindfulness. It's when we live in our heads, on autopilot, letting our thoughts wander, explore, to the future or the past, and essentially, not being present in the moment. But that's where most of us live most of the time, and pretty uncomfortably, if we're being honest. Right? But it doesn't have to be that way. We practice mindfulness so we can learn how to recognize when our minds are doing their normal everyday acrobatics. And maybe take a pause from that for just a little while so we can choose what we'd like to focus on. In a nutshell, meditation helps us have a much healthier relationship with ourselves. And, by extension, with others. Why learn to meditate? When we meditate, we inject far-reaching and long-lasting benefits into our lives. And bonus, you don't need any extra gear or an expensive membership. Here are 5 reasons to meditate. 1. Understand your pain. 2. Lower your stress. 3. Connect better. 4. Improve focus. 5. Reduce brain chatter. This is the end of the session. We hope you have a mindful motivation day.